If you're looking for real ways to make money online, not hype, not BS, but legit business models people are using right now, you're in the right place. This video has 100 real options. No gimmicks, no guarantees, just a list that works if you work it. But don't get overwhelmed. Don't try all 100. Here's how to use this list the smart way. Pick 3 options. Pick one option for faster income. Pick one option for long-term growth. And pick one option to build skills and leverage. I will give you the full Pick 3 plan at the end. For now, keep a note open and write down the numbers you like. Category 1, Freelance Skills. Quick cash, real demand. 1. Short-form video editing for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. 2. Long-form YouTube video editing focused on retention, pacing, and structure. 3. Thumbnail design for creators and small brands. 4. Podcast editing and turning full episodes into short video clips. 5. Copywriting for landing pages, advertisements, and sales pages. 6. Email marketing, including newsletters and automated email sequences. 7. User experience writing for applications, websites, and onboarding flows. 8. Building websites using WordPress, Webflow, or Framer. 9. No-code automation using Zapier or Make. 10. Remote customer support for a specific niche, such as software, health, or electronic commerce. Category 2. Artificial intelligence-powered services, low-cost tools, high-value offers. 11. Set up an artificial intelligence chatbot for a business website. 12. Build an artificial intelligence frequently asked questions system for customer questions. 13. Turn company processes into clear standard operating procedure documents with artificial intelligence assistance. 14. Repurpose long content into short videos, social posts, and newsletters using artificial intelligence assistance. 15. Improve resumes and LinkedIn profiles with truthful rewriting and better structure. 16. Create video outlines and scripts using artificial intelligence assistance, then rewrite for originality and your voice. 17. Set up lead qualification and follow-up workflows using artificial intelligence tools. 18. Create research briefs for founders and teams, including summaries and action points. 19. Optimize electronic commerce listings, including product titles, bullet points, and descriptions. 20. Human review and quality checks for artificial intelligence outputs and datasets. Category 3. Content and creator income for creators, educators, and storytellers. 21. Start a YouTube channel in a profitable niche and publish consistently. 22. Build an email newsletter and sell sponsorship slots. 23. Start a podcast and monetize with advertising and affiliate marketing. 24. Create user-generated content videos for brands without needing a large audience. 25. Live stream product demonstrations and earn commissions through social commerce. 26. Build a paid community around a niche topic and provide ongoing value. 27. Offer memberships for exclusive templates, resources, and learning content. 28. Sell pay what you want, digital guides, and checklists. 29. Sell a short course with one clear outcome and a clear promise of value. 30. Run paid workshops and live trainings online. Category 4. Affiliate marketing and performance marketing. Leverage traffic to earn passive income. 31. Build a niche review blog that ranks on search engines. 32. Create YouTube comparison videos with affiliate links in the description. 33. Publish a deals newsletter that earns affiliate commissions. 34. Create best tools for pages that rank on search engines. 35. Post short product demonstrations on TikTok and Instagram Reels with affiliate links. 36. Use Pinterest to drive evergreen traffic to affiliate content. 37. Build an email funnel from a free checklist to affiliate offers. 38. Earn referral fees by recommending local services online with tracking links. 39. Promote high-value affiliate offers with full transparency and clear disclaimers. 40. Create buying guides and simple calculators that capture leads and convert. Category 5. electronic commerce without inventory. 41. Print-on-demand apparel for one specific niche, such as fitness, pets, or hobbies. 42. Print-on-demand posters and wall art for a focused niche style. 43. Personalized gifts with names, dates, and custom messages. 44. Sell digital downloads such as planners, trackers, and templates on marketplaces. 45. Sell bundles of related templates with a single theme. 46. Set up merch stores for small creators and manage fulfillment. 47. Sell Notion templates with a simple setup guide. 48. Sell Canva templates for business content and social media. 49. Sell brand kits for small businesses, including logo variations and color palettes. 50. Build a niche storefront using digital products plus affiliate products. Category 6. Education and coaching. 51. Tutor school subjects online such as mathematics, accounting, or science. 52. Tutor languages online with structured conversation practice. 53. Offer micro-coaching sessions with a single clear outcome. 54. Run a group coaching program for 4 to 6 weeks. 55. Provide interview preparation and mock interviews. 56. Review portfolios for design, writing, or software development. 57. Mentor people for one specific career path such as data analysis or marketing. 58. Teach study systems and productivity methods for students. 59. Help people set up budgets and personal finance systems. 60. Provide done with you setup calls for tools, workflows, and systems. Category 7. Remote jobs and contract work. 61. Work as a virtual assistant for founders or creators. 62. Work as an executive assistant for senior professionals. 63. Manage online communities for Discord or Slack. 64. Manage social media with one platform specialization. 65. Assist with paid advertising reporting and basic optimization. 66. Work as a sales development representative doing outreach. 67. Do appointment setting for service businesses. 68. Research leads and build prospect lists for business-to-business sales teams. 69. Assist with bookkeeping using modern accounting tools. 70. Test websites and applications for quality assurance and bug reporting. Category 8. Productize services, repeatable packaged offers. 71. Offer a weekly package of short-form video edits. 72. Offer a YouTube channel starter kit for new creators. 73. Offer a landing page delivered within 48 hours. 74. Offer a welcome email sequence package with 5 to 7 emails. 75. Offer a podcast to Clips weekly package with fixed deliverables. 76. Offer a Notion workspace setup for a specific job role niche. 77. Offer Google Business Profile optimization for local companies. 78. Offer sales deck redesign and messaging cleanup. 79. Offer a monthly analytics report with next steps and recommendations. 80. Offer an artificial intelligence workflow audit to save time in operations. Category 9. Platforms and marketplaces. 81. Sell freelancing services on Upwork with a focused niche profile. 82. Sell design assets such as icon packs and user interface kits. 83. Sell stock video footage in a clear niche category. 84. Sell stock photos designed for business use cases. 85. Sell music loops and sound effects if you produce audio. 86. Sell three-dimensional assets and product mock-ups if you create them. 87. Publish short, high-value electronic books. 88. Do audiobook narration if you have strong voice skills. 89. Do translation and subtitling for one industry such as legal, medical, or technology. 90. Use microtask platforms for small but steady online income. Category 10. Business-to-business online services. 91. Build lead magnets and simple funnels for service businesses. 92. Manage email marketing for electronic commerce brands. 93. Write standard operating procedures and process documentation for teams. 94. Build customer retention systems, including win-back campaigns and retention offers. 95. Improve booking flows with scheduling links, reminders, and follow-up messages. 96. Manage online reputation with review requests, review replies, and workflows. 97. Create sales enablement assets such as case studies and one-page summaries. 98. Build ethical outreach systems with targeting, messaging, tracking, and iteration. 99. Run market research interviews and produce summary reports. 100. Offer fractional operation support with dashboards, systems, and execution. The Pick 3 Plan. Now here's the fun part. Drop your 3 chosen numbers in the comments and tell me how many hours you have per week. I'll reply with a simple first week plan and even suggest beginner pricing for your ideas. Also comment the numbers from this list that you want me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on. I will build a dedicated guide for the most requested numbers. That's your roadmap. 100 ways to make money online in 2026. Screenshot the ones you like, pick your 3, and commit for 30 days. No fluff, no waiting. Let's go.